Hey, I had this Biltema battery for my electric bike, which I bought a few years ago, but now it only charges 50%. So I bought another one to replace the contents of the battery, and it is everything same, but it is slightly higher range, which gives me 12 ampere hour, and this is a lithium-ion battery. And the one from Biltema was a lithium nickel cobalt magnesium battery, and it has 7.8 ampere hour, and this gives me 25 kilometer range. So I'm expecting it to give me a little more, maybe 30 kilometers. So this came with the charger. So I'm going to replace this or 3D print this with with something that fits in this, and then I'll open this up and put this battery inside it. So let's start. So to open this battery, I will have to take some screws, 2 here, 2 down there, and 2 these ones, and 2 here. So the screws are removed now. So I have this connection here, which I'll remove somehow. I'm trying to find a way. And in here, I'll disconnect all these wires and we'll take it from there. So there were 3 connections on this one, which I have taken off. This one was for recharging, 3 cables, and this one was, these 2 cables was for the lock, and this one was for like indicator in the compartment here. So this new battery doesn't have this connection, so I'll not use it. The new cable also doesn't have connection for this, so I'll not use it. So only thing I would use is basically the charging, but since it has a different charging, I will create my own connector, so I'll take this off as well. So the battery is out now with all the cables, and I have removed the connector for the charger, and next I will try to decouple these 2. So let's do it. Okay, so now I have connected the new battery with the socket, and now I have put some packing, and I'll just push it through, and I measured the size is good. So let's continue. So battery is fixed from the bottom, and for the top here now I've created 3 3D prints. These are 2, which will make the cover for here, and it will fit here, and then this one, and in this I will put in the cable, so it will just snap in, and then this would go inside, so that will finish it. So let's see. So now I have fixed the 3D parts with the cable, and top seat here, so it just closes it, and you don't have to cover it from rain and splashes. And now I'm going to just close this, so it's complete. Okay, so all sorted now, and in the cover, so let's put it and test. And we see the full 4 power With the previous battery we were only seeing 2 now, so we'll give it a try for the range next. So I just finished my driving with one battery left and or one level left, and this was like 2 meters earlier that it happened, and I drove almost with the full power throughout the route, and I shared the screenshot of my route. It was total of 25 kilometers, so I give it a thumbs up.